Projects and operations. Imagine constructing a laboratory and then hiring scientists to work on the research and development of a new vaccine. As the vaccine is developed, a manufacturing facility will be constructed for the mass production of the vaccine. In this scenario, the construction of the laboratory, the research and development of the vaccine, and the construction of the manufacturing facility are all projects. They are temporary, with specific start and end dates, and they create unique outputs. However, mass production of the vaccine is not a project. It is a business operation, as it is ongoing activity that produces repetitive outputs. Operations are ongoing activities that produce repetitive outputs needed to sustain the business, such as manufacturing products and/or providing services. Operations also include other day-to-day business functions such as accounting, maintenance, and support. Unlike projects, operations do not produce anything new. They are repetitive. Additionally, unlike projects, operations are not temporary. They are ongoing activities that sustain the business. There is typically an ongoing cycle between projects and operations, as operations create a demand for projects, and projects enable new or better business operations. In our previous example, the construction of the vaccine manufacturing facility is a project, and the vaccine production is an operation. After a few years, maybe the manufacturing facility will need a renovation, and the manufacturing equipment will need to be upgraded to increase production capacity, which would be a project. In these transition periods between projects and operations, there will be a transfer of knowledge and/or deliverables. In our example, as the upgrade is complete, the upgraded equipment, which is a deliverable, will be given to the operating personnel, and they will be trained on using the upgraded equipment. Lastly, let's take a look at the ultimate tips for exam success. Operations management is not in the scope of the exam. However, knowing the difference between operations and projects is very important. Projects are temporary and unique, while operations are ongoing activities that produce repetitive outputs that are needed to sustain the business. Consider a question that asks what the project manager should do if the operations team requests additional work due to various reasons after the project has been formally closed. In such cases, it is important to know that no additional work should be performed by the project manager and the rest of the project team once the project is formally closed and the deliverables are handed over to the operations team. The project deliverables and knowledge should be transferred between the project and operations teams at various points based on the needs before the project is formally closed.